Hey there, Sunshine. So today I'm unboxing a brand new subscription box on my channel called A Woman's World. This box is so heavy and it smells so strongly. I cannot wait to see what's in here, but I have no idea. You guys know me, my memory is terrible. So I have no idea about pricing. I have no idea about any of that. So if you were interested, I have a link to their site down below. I have a link to all of that description. Check it out because I just want to get and see what's inside of this box. So originally this box came inside of a pink mailer bag, but I didn't think that that sufficed for the the thumbnail. So this is what the box looks like. It is kind of beat up, which I mean is okay. Hopefully nothing inside is broken. But with that said, let's open it. Yo, what? Yo, I honestly was expecting like a bunch of snakes. No, I was not expecting it to be this jam-packed full of stuff. Like first thing on the bat. Yes, this makes me so excited. I love trying new things. Okay, so I don't even know what the first thing is. Okay, I know what the first thing is. The first thing that I'm pulling out is this funnily shaped bottle of something. It's really honestly what made me choose this first was the bubble packaging. But no, that's not what smells good. Oh my gosh. Is this wine? Oh my gosh, did I just receive a bottle? Oh, did I just receive a giant? Yes, this is a giant bottle of wine. Guys, I'm 21. I'm trying new alcohols. It's exciting. I love strawberry tequila. I love wine, and this is so exciting. I've never heard of this brand. I am not a wine connoisseur. When it comes to like name brands, I can tell you what I like and what I don't like, but I don't know brands that well. But this is so exciting. It says Tumble Turner 2017 Dry Rosé. I am so excited right now. This probably makes me seem like I'm dependent upon alcohol, but this is the first time I can say I've ever received a bottle of alcohol in a subscription box. Like, yeah, okay. That was very exciting. That's what made it so heavy. And it's so exciting that this came shipped and did not break, did not crack, did not nothing. Okay. Ooh, there's a card. Okay. Hold on. I'm kind of a little bit curious because, okay, completely unrelated story, but it's kind of making me question this box a little bit. I am a freelance writer. I do a bunch of work. I work for a bunch of companies, and one of the things that I do for one of the companies that I work for is review subscription boxes. I got started working with this company because the company found my YouTube channel and was like, oh hey, like, see you review this, do you want to like write for our website? And I was like, heck yeah, I totally do. So I tried a subscription box called First Leaf, which is this is not an ad, you'll see in a second. But First Leaf is a wine subscription box, and basically it's like, I don't remember, I think it was like $75, something like that, with shipping for 6 bottles of wine. In it, you also receive the 6 bottles of wine, and then you had a bunch of cards that like describe the wine, and you got like a picture on the front, and it's like, okay, this is like what it tastes like, where it came from, and the sweetness, the fruit, the body acidity, and all that. Like, it really broke down the wine a lot. So the second thing that I'm pulling out of this is a First Leaf card. Like, this is the card that I received in my First Leaf subscription. Like, this is exactly what the card looks like. So what I'm kind of wondering is if the owner of A Woman's World has a First Leaf subscription and just sent out bottles of wine that they didn't like or didn't want to try, or maybe they're using First Leaf to like supplement for their own subscription box. I don't know. It kind of makes me feel a little sad, because I'm just like, oh, that kind of took away from the specialness of it, knowing that it wasn't specifically picked out for this box, because there was that card in there. Okay, the next thing that I am pulling out is this Chic shaving set. Oh my gosh. It says Chic Intuition Fab. Oh, let's open this up and see what's inside. Is this what smells good? Because there's something in here that like smells super strongly. Okay. Oh yeah, that's definitely it. I can smell it. Okay, so in here, I'm ripping open this bag. We have a 2-in-1 shave cream and skin conditioner, a skin therapy lotionized dry skin softening complex, a razor, and then a replacement head. So that's really exciting. And then on the box it says a $38 value. So okay, I've never received anything like that either in a subscription box. That is really exciting, and I'm trying to find a place to put this down, but okay, that's different. That's exciting. Okay, The next thing that I'm pulling out is this card that says, "Thank you from a woman's world. Never the same, always unique." And then the back of it is 3 quotes from people on the back, but they're not like people from the company. They seem to be famous people. Okay, so the next thing that I'm pulling out is this Carol's and Daughter almond cookie with almond oil and oatmeal bar soap. Okay, that's exciting. I have never, it kind of smells like a little powdery, kind of like baby powder almost. So I run my own vegan and cruelty-free cosmetic company, and I make handmade soaps, and I have a honey oatmeal cookie soap, and in our honey oatmeal cookie soap, no actual honey is used, it's just honey fragrance. So I'm a little bit concerned, the very like baby powder, very floral scent that I'm getting from this almond cookie bar soap, but I can appreciate the thought. Okay, I'm unhappy with this box, and maybe I'm just paranoid, but I kind of feel like it's bits and pieces put together from like somebody's house. Like it kind of like, I'm just getting that like that vibe from it, because like, okay, this lipstick, there's only one piece of tissue paper in here. There's nothing fuzzy in this box at all, but this lipstick container is covered with a bunch of white hairs. I don't know if you guys can see that, but if I turn it down a little bit, maybe you can. But there's just like there's a clump right there. But the entire packaging is just covered in like white hair, and it's making me like not feel like this box is super clean. I'm like, I'm gonna finish the unboxing, but I don't know about this. Okay, so this is from okay, this is from the Lip Bar, which is a brand that I have never heard of. A vegan and cruelty-free lipstick. The packaging for it is actually really, really cool. And then if we take it off, this is the shade that I received, which is really pretty. I love a bright red. So, okay, there's still a bunch of white hair on it, so maybe that wasn't the subscription box. Maybe that was just because it was in here. Then I received this Coconut and Hibiscus Radiance Mud Mask. Oh, I love masks currently. Ask Elizabeth from last year, and she didn't like them. I can never make up my mind, can I? I received, oh, is this it? Okay, yeah, so like, I'm really unhappy with this box because I really feel like, okay, I'm gonna finish the unboxing, and then I'm gonna get to talking about why I'm unhappy about it. Okay, this is the Eden Body Works Skin Hand Cream Coconut Shea Vitamin E Lotion. Hand cream, right? Okay, so I was like, there's something in this box that smells very powdery, and I think it's this that smells very powdery, but I'm not 100% sure. But so I went to go smell it, and I saw that the lotion container is open. If you have ever bought lotion from anywhere, you know that like there's always that protective seal on top. Like always, always, always. I've never seen anybody not have a protective seal, so I don't know, it kind of just feels like this box has been put together by like bits and pieces from somebody's house, and it's not like, oh, hey, we bought these pieces for this box. It's more like a, oh, like, hey, maybe I'll just like get rid of some extra stuff that I don't want and throw it in this box. I also received this hydrating facial mask with coconut water. Again, love masks. And then the last thing that I received, again, which I'm, okay, this has the white hair on it. It doesn't have nearly as much as the lipstick did, but it definitely still has like white hair and stuff on it. There's tags from another company or something like that. And then, so I'm guessing this is a purse of some sort. I mean, the inside's clean. It still has the strap that came with it. I don't know, guys. Like, okay, I am not, I was very impressed with this box. Okay, I don't know how to say this very well. I was impressed with this box when it came to like putting everything together, and the owner being like, okay, I want to put this, this, and this inside of my June box. And I'd be like, okay, that totally makes sense. I don't feel like there's really like unique products that seem to have been picked out for box. It really honestly, just with the condition of the lotion, the condition of the bag, the lipstick having the fur on it, the first leaf card inside of this box, it feels like this is bits and pieces from somebody. First leaf box is $75 and that's handpicked by somebody to like come to your doorstep. It's a subscription box, just like DA & Co, just like Boxycharm, just like Quirky Crate. It's handpicked by somebody else to come to your doorstep, and that I got here. And then it's like several of the items like are kind of dirty or maybe haven't been noticeably used but are showing signs of use, such as the lotion not having a protective seal on it. Doesn't make this feel clean to me. I don't know. I kind of feel like, I feel sad because I was like, oh yes, it started off so good, and then it was like, not feeling completely authentic like a subscription box should feel. And I don't mean to put this company down whatsoever. Like, everybody works hard, everybody has their dreams to follow. I'm just not impressed with it. It doesn't live up to my quality and my standards of quality. It doesn't live up to what I expect to receive out of a subscription box, especially one that I'm going to assume is higher priced because of the large size in it. So that is everything that I received in my A Woman's World subscription box. I would love to hear what your guys' thoughts are in the comment section down below. Do you feel like the products in here could have been possibly used? Do you feel like I was just being like overly picky and overly looking at details? I would love to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I'm so sorry that I was negative in this video, but I would much rather be negative in one video than mislead you guys. So I just want to like put that out there before anything gets started. But I would love to hear what your thoughts are in the comment section down below. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video.